1, robot!
Let's hope these autos go swimmingly. We have the teams moving and waiting for the end of the autonomous period, which ends in 5 seconds with blue at 12, red at 9. Could be anybody's match. Let's find out right now. 5188, Classified Robotics, zooming over to place a coral on their L4 branch. 8103 going over to L2, while 8116 maneuvers over to their reef as well. 8103 grabbing a coral from the coral station. 8116 is going up to L4. There are different angles at which the coral can be deposited. 8116 went for a more horizontal angle, which is more optimal for the lower branches. Some teams even have wrists on their robot. Some don't. 6498, Castle Robotics, has a pretty tall elevator and goes up to try and score on L4, while 8431, their teammate, is going over to L2 to score on their reef. 5188 also zooming over to the coral station to grab another one to help out their teammates. 1555 has a coral, and they are going with their teammates, 8116, to grab more coral and put it on the reef. We are at 37 to 19 with 1 minute and 11 seconds left. We have 5188 grabbing with their intake wheels. A lot of teams have intakes that actually sandwich the coral in between the wheels and then use those wheels as an intake for the algae as well, which makes a very versatile, very compact mechanism, which is why a lot of teams go with it, because it helps save weight on their robot and it helps reduce mechanical complexity, which is what a lot of robots want to go for in order for their robot to function, and for troubleshooting. It's great for troubleshooting. 1555 seems to be able to hold their coral sideways for it to score in L1 when they would like to. 8116 trying to get that coral to tip over onto L4. Red's teammate 8431 zooming over to the coral, to the reef. 6498 crossing back over into the red side to help their teammates. That's Castle Robotics for you. 5188 coming over to the reef, bringing up the elevator. They have a pivoting arm, it seems, that can actually score vertically for L4, or they can go for L3. Corals can be dropped vertically onto L3. Physics does work like that. We have 1 second left, aka 0 seconds. We have some robots in the barge zones. Let's see who wins. 44 to 40, only 4 points away. This shows just how close matches can be. 4 ranking points, that can be the difference between a win and a loss for these teams. The teams on the Blue Alliance either moving up or staying at their ranks.